Bullish Star Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 4 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Atlas could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most up-to-date obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. The state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following influx of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge drain of space in quest for extremely valuable NFT-based precious stones. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advances. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, arrange, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their exceptional resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas game's universe is tremendous, and players should go out on desolate, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outmaneuver different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private companies or rally and make decentralized independent associations to control over specific regions. Players get virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game articles. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certified monetary benefit to support. Star Atlas Specialized Examination. Specialized examination, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations in different variables. It is a strategy for inspecting the market using pointers, extraordinarily made devices. Financial backers and brokers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or effective money management. Specialized investigation is regularly founded on authentic data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Specialized investigation is the examination of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for investigating the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and dealers utilize this method to track down opportunities for speculations or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized investigation is at times established on authentic information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Star Atlas current cost. Star Atlas is right now worth $0. Atlas has moved 2.08% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,195,920. Star Atlas is right now positioned 789 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $8,923,075 USD. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2022. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Atlas cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Star Atlas effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2025. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2028. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Atlas cost in 2030 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And current innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital forms of money, yet additionally has every one of the characteristics that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the broad reception of cryptographic forms of money due to its creative in-game plan, staggering designs, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $8,923,075. Is Star Atlas a wise speculation? Star Atlas ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that Atlas is a decent decision of venture. How high can Star Atlas go? The typical cost of Star Atlas might potentially reach